Hello everyone, this is my Helmet Aerospace Financial and Accounting PowerPoint by Caleb Dole. First we want to start out by assets equal liability plus owner's equity. First I want to start out by explaining what assets, liabilities, and owner's equity actually is. So assets, these can include current assets like cash, account receivables, inventory, like what you already have in the company that gives value to that company. Like equipment, machinery. Like if you were able to sell all of that stuff, how much money would you actually be able to get out of it? And Helmet showed on their report 10,255,000. And then liabilities. These are stuff that like cost you money. Like account payable, short-term debt, and also long-term debt. These can all go toward liabilities. What costs the company money? And Helmet showed that their liabilities were 6,654,000. And then owner's equity. The owner's equity represents the residuals interest and like what people buy stock. That gives them more money to work with, retained earnings, what they hold on to, and then paid in capital. Helmet showed 3,601,000. So if you add the liabilities and the owner's equity, you get the assets, which was 10,255,000. Here we look at the operational cash flow. This is the main primary source of income as in cash from sales and goods. This is what they sell. This is all that they sell, and this is what they get back from, their product. Investments, what they put in as an investment and then gonna get back in return later on. They invest $2 million and then later on, because they grow, it's then worth $3 million. So then they make that $1 million back. And then financing cash flow. This is the cash flow from others that have share in the company and just want to invest in the company to make it go better, get bigger. Revenue plus expenses equals net income. Here I did find the revenue, income generated from the sales of goods or services. Helmet revenue in 2022 was 5.7 billion. And then the expenses, I am going to apologize right now. I did my research. I couldn't find it anywhere. I mean, you find little bits and pieces here and there, but if I tried adding them up, it would have been way over 5.7 billion, but I'm pretty sure Helmet Aerospace is in the positive. So, this is just a cost inquired in the process of generating revenue. What all do they have to spend on something to, they have to buy all the different parts and pieces, and then they put it together to generate that revenue. And then the income, I couldn't calculate it just because I couldn't find that expenses. But I'm pretty sure Helmet Aerospace is doing pretty well making income. And then this is the quote I found from chapter 4. Once a budget period begins, the function in budgeting becomes one of the exercise control over businesses operations as they progress. The word control, as used in here, means making certain that actual performance is going according to plan. So how I related to that was make sure that you're still in control of your original plan as you're starting a business, and don't lose that hindsight of where you wanted to be, and then you start the project and you ditch the plan and just go off on a tangent and get lost. And then here's my references. Thank you.